Did you know I hear?
Yakhumbula sicrashelwe PC sisenze ishubini. I crash I remember 4 or 5 times or 6 or 7 and yes. But I know by the project I crash several times. Kanti at that time I go ishubini straight to the point. Straight to the point. Yeah. Straight to the point. It was straight to the point. If you're compressing like the EP, straight to the point. So very crash. I remember that time when I talk almost he crashed anyway. Again, since I'm crashing away. At some point, what? Yeah, I so anyway, this straight to the point. So man, job almost every morning. I job almost. So when there's time, it used to take me 1 hour. So I see like 30 minutes, 40 minutes, and we'll figure out 20.
So you're not going straight to the point, much.
Anywho,
you're going on circles.
Yeah, but however, you also job on walks. So what's the context? Yeah, no, I mean, you crashing.
It's
busy, like win a process.
You lose what you recorded.
Exactly. Hard drive. I and the husband what?
In simple terms, yeah, wipe.
So you must start from scratch.
So you can't have that.
So I learned it. And I was like, 3-4 times at most. What? What? I give up anyway. Fuck this. I spun him. Go there, who's okay, say, yeah, anyway. So, exactly.
I'm going to plan you.
Yeah, they are good. Say, yeah, anyway. I go away. But so, class again. Yeah, my city of Milan. Okay, a science. And then what?
So, what now?
So, the conversation you must have with yourself.
What?
In every step.
Yes, I do.
You see it?
Okay, it's a beat. It's in the what makes you beat? How do you see it? Someone has a record.
I have pressure this time.
I didn't. What? I plan you about just about record. Man, the scoop is what's a little project? The same egg.
Experience,
so you have a plan to yeah, crash. Every time what? Didn't come any anyway, private is just so teaching. It's necessary. Okay, so this is the contest. Can you pick up, Gilliam?
I think it's my latest song in the